Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to BSV TV. I'm your host Satoshi, and on this show we'll be defending the one and only, truly genuine Bitcoin. The Bitcoin that Satoshi Nakamoto designed in his white paper as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system for the world. Let's get the disclaimers out of the way. So all the statements that you hear on this show are opinion and must only ever be taken as opinion. They are never to be taken as any form of advice, family, financial, sexual or otherwise. And on that note, let's sit back, relax, have some fun and enjoy the show. Get paid for your content in Bitcoin and set your own fee on Streamanity.
Yeah, I'm not surprised I wasn't asked why I'm convinced Craig is Satoshi. I posted on Reddit. He signed in my presence using the private key from block number one, the very first mined Bitcoin block, on a computer that I'm convinced had not been tampered with, on software I'm convinced that had not been tampered with, a message of my choosing.
At Enchain, we've just funded a number of universities doing, so far, a test up to 1 gigabyte because it validates what we've already done independently. We've tested up to 380 gigabyte blocks. We've tested 1 million transactions a second and transaction sizes up to 20 megabytes. Super complex scripts, basically ones that can run operating systems. That's all of global commerce times about 50. On top of that, we can have complex scripts. On top of that, we can scale each of those transactions 1,000 times, which effectively means about 1 billion transactions per second, which means we can then have all derivatives, all complex trades. That means high frequency trading. It means everything that happens globally.
Is the market that effectively BSV is going for, is that global e-commerce, which is currently valued at $29 trillion?
No, that's too small.
Buy and sell Bitcoin instantly at bsvgravity.com. And you can now book and pay for your winter holiday at skibsv.com. Alrighty people, it looks like we are live. Welcome Keith Fellows in the joining me in the chat box already. Check it out. What a day. This is going to be a special one. I'm not going to upload this onto Streamanity. I'll just put it straight onto YouTube. You know, keep it relevant for everybody. But check this out. Check this out. Oh my god. This was a post here from Crypto Whale. It said here, Coinbase went offline, Bitfinex went offline, Binance went offline, Kraken went offline, Gemini went offline, CoinMarketCap went offline, Bittrex went offline, Qcoin went offline, Huobi, guess what, went offline, Coindesk, guess what, went offline. Probably a coincidence. I think not. And let's just have a quick look at what caused all this. So we can see here, because I screenshotted this bad boy. Look at the state of this. Look at that. Look at that drop. So this was Bitcoin, but for any newbies who don't understand why I'm saying Bitcoin, Bitcoin is BSV. That's a genuine Bitcoin. And to stop BTC from plummeting, because bread and butter, or BTC is the bread and butter cash cow for all these scammers. So they are literally doing all they can to defend the price of BTC, because it's the only thing that they know. So they literally had to shut everything down to go offline. I mean, let's just check the markets. It was a bloodbath earlier on today. So, but I mean, look at this. Look, the market tanked. All the exchanges shut down to literally prevent trading, and then they've rebounded. But look, it is on a trend line going down. And there's only so much tether they can print to defend this. So if we go on to a stablecoin printer actually on Twitter here. Here we go. Check this out. Stablecoin printer. Let's have a look at this bad boy. There it is, just 16 hours ago. $1 billion. $1 billion worth of tether printed, and yet even they couldn't save the markets from going down and tanking. So literally, like price, like I said, price is the only thing that they know. The only thing that they know. But when we look at like the graphs we just looked at, which was well, we'll have a look on the we'll have a look on Bitfinex. See what's going on here. Here we go. Loving these. And we'll open Live Coin Watch as well. Here we go. Well, looks like the market has rebounded. Or rebounding. There we go. Oh, sorry, my friends across the pond. USD. There we go. Oh, went down and come back up again. But this is total manipulation. This is complete manipulation of the markets. It's so manipulative. It's like it's a bit embarrassing, really. I mean, look at the state of that. Straight down, you know, going back up again, and all these exchanges going offline. Now, if you ask me, like, how are these shitcoiners defending the price? Well, they're dumping their shitcoins, and if you ask me, I think that the people in BSV like wouldn't dump because they're not shitcoiners, and they would pretty much everybody who is a genuine BSVer, when they're trading, they trade on TDXP app, which doesn't actually dump the value of the asset. And there's no reason to trade on any other shitcoin exchange because you want to keep hold of your Bitcoin. When you transfer your Bitcoin to an exchange like one of these exchanges that sets the prices, if that exchange runs out of liquidity, as in kind of like they would have done had they not closed all their markets simultaneously to contain this dumping, then the exchanges would go bust. When they go bust, they can't pay their staff. When they can't pay their staff, there's nowhere, no one to, they can't run the systems, and your data, your precious Bitcoin, is gone. So personally, what I think, this is shaking shitcoiners out of genuine Bitcoin. That's what I think this is, because I think the people in BSV know that corporations are on the way. So get all of these shitcoiners selling, so they don't have any, because if the shitcoiners move from BTC into Bitcoin, which is BSV, the same shenanigans is just going to continue. They need to be shaken out. So we can see not only are they being shaken out by these price movements, but they are also being pushed off of the chain, which we can see here on CoinDance. So look at this. Like, look, Tal, Hathor. A little bit of via BTC as a shitcoin enterprise. Unknown, Norpal Mempool, good to see them on there. But look at this, look. They are being squeezed off the chain. They're being squeezed. So not only are they being squeezed off the chain, they are now also being forced to dump. Because everybody's defending BTC, which means they're just simply going to be actually offloading with the trading bots or their BSV, which is a genuine Bitcoin. So we don't want them holding any of this. This is what I feel like anyway. I think all the genuine BSVs went in. They were just like, well, we haven't dumped. So therefore, when the price goes down and the shitcoiners dump, well, we'll take advantage and we will go in. More BSV for genuine Bitcoiners all across the board. This is how I view it. I mean, it's been quite a phenomenal day, to be honest with you. Yeah, we haven't seen dumping like this for. I mean, but look at BTC. Look, that is a market manipulated dump, and this is a market manipulated up. They are trying to protect it, like I said, because it's their scammy cash cow. You know, literally all the scams are on BTC. It's complete shenanigans, but you cannot halt the steady decline of this thing. You know why? Because it does nothing. And let's have a look at, let's just remind ourselves what these shitcoiners are up to. So we go a pomp. Look at this. This is cringeworthy, embarrassing. You know, if any, I know Pizzagate basically is what we're talking about. Oh, look at that! He's talking about diamond hands and all that kind of stuff. Where was this classic video of you, Pomp? I mean, this is there. Check it out. Let's play this just for lulz. And some of the comments on this were hilarious because people were just like, "What? You can't even pay in BTC. You have to pay with MasterCard, basically."
What's up, guys? Bang, bang. Everybody knows there's two things I love more than anything else in the world: Bitcoin and pizza. That's why today we're announcing Bitcoin Pizza. That's right. What is Bitcoin Pizza? Bitcoin Pizza is a new national pizza chain that allows you to eat tasty pizza while also supporting Bitcoin developers. Here's how it works. You head to eatbitcoinpizza.com. You order the pizza that you want. You select the day and time that you want it delivered straight to your door. And a local pizzeria in your town will go ahead, they'll make the pizza, they'll put it in one of these awesome boxes that we've created, and they'll have it delivered right to you on the specified day and time. We take 100% of the profits from this pilot, and we're donating it to the Human Rights Foundation Bitcoin Developers Fund. That's right, when you buy a Bitcoin pizza, what happens is you're actually funding Bitcoin development. So to get started, we're launching in 10 cities across the United States: Boston, New York, Washington, D.C., Miami, Chicago, Austin, Houston, Seattle, the Bay Area, and LA. If you're in one of those 10 cities in the United States, you can go to eatbitcoinpizza.com today and actually put in an order for delivery starting on Saturday. This Saturday is the 11-year anniversary of the infamous Bitcoin Pizza transaction. It was the first purchase of a good or service using Bitcoin as a currency 11 years ago. When you place an order at eatbitcoinpizza.com, not only are you getting tasty food, but you're also supporting a local small business and Bitcoin developers around the world. So this Saturday, make sure that you clear your calendar and you order Bitcoin Pizza.
Oh my god. Is that not just a massive cringe fest that we just watched there? I mean, let's have this about where the money's going again. What the hell does this mean?
To you on the specified day and time. We take 100% of the profits from this pilot and we're donating it to the Human Rights Foundation Bitcoin Developers Fund.
The Human Rights Foundation Bitcoin Developers Fund. 100% goes to the Human Rights Foundation Bitcoin Developers Fund. That sounds like 100% of the donations goes to those who need it and in my pocket. What? 100% of the donations goes to charitable causes and in my pocket. Like, what is he? What are they talking about? And like, oh yeah. So we need the Bitcoin developers need funding. There is no development on BTC because you're not meant to use it. Why do you need to develop something that you're not meant to use and can't use because it's impossible to use due to the ridiculously high fees and the clogged up mempool? This is it's absolutely insane. You know. So let's just have. Let's have a look at one of these funny tweets here, and let's have a remix of this video, shall we? Let's see what we can find. Here we go.
Bang. Everybody.
This is more like it.
What's up, guys? Bang, bang. Everybody knows there's two things I love more than anything else in the world.
MasterCard.
And pizza. That's why today we're announcing
MasterCard.
pizza. What's up, guys?
That's more what it's all about. It's absolutely ridiculous. You know, that is pretty funny, to be honest with you. I do have to say. But I mean, look at this. Look at this. Let's get. I mean, oh, what was it? Somebody else sent me some of the reactions to this, which literally it had me in stitches. Let's see if we can find it. And the messages come up. That's the one. Check it out. So, this guy, David shares in response to Anthony Pomplano's Bitcoin pizza there. He goes, bro, what the F? Credit cards only, ... Look at this, look. Purchase, complete purchase. Visa, MasterCard, American Express. What's that one down there? I don't know that one. But that is just absolutely hilarious. I mean, this is what shitcoining is all about. Literally, like, how stupid do you have to be, and how long is it gonna take? You know, my guess is it's just gonna take them forever, because if they haven't figured out it out now, then they're never gonna. You know, it's absolutely insane. The level, or should I say, the level of lack of intelligence that we're seeing in the space is like literally just it's absolutely insane. I've never witnessed anything like it, and to be honest with you, you know what? On part of me, you know, despairs for humanity, but then all, you know, the genuine Bitcoin, which is BSV, has literally sucked all of the intelligence out of the space, and the quality of the people in Bitcoin right now. The concentration of it is just absolutely fantastic, which is why I love the space so much. Honestly, I've never laughed and I've never had so much fun in all my life since I got into the genuine Bitcoin, which is BSV. So let's have a look at this ratio on TDXP, shall we? Here we go. So this is BSV, BTC. Let's see what's going on now. Here we go. Oh, it looks like it's still down since all the shitcoin exchanges stopped trading. But you can see the trend. You can still see the trend. It is there. This is like over a 2 month period. So literally just shaking all these shitcoiners out. Gives the opportunity for genuine Bitcoiners like ourselves to go in. Problem sorted, you know. Yeah, and let's have. I wonder if they're reporting on this in any of these shitcoin sites. So I know Anthony Pomplano was promoting his letter. You know, subscription letter that he sends out. Like, as if he knows what's going on. Like, seriously, you know, he has, like, no idea. So, let's see if anything here. Bitcoin chart, fractional, blah, 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 blah. No signs yet. Let's do a Google Explore, shall we? BTC price falls. That should come up with something. Top stories. 13 hours ago, Bitcoin plunges on fears of regulatory crackdown. 43 minutes ago, that's more like it. Oh, I mean, literally, they're just making stuff up, honestly. So they're thinking it's fears of regulatory crackdown. Huh. Digital assets market under intense pressure after China warns on use of cryptocurrencies. Like, literally, it's got nothing to do with this. It's complete and utter manipulation. Like, they're literally they're talking about this as though kind of like, you know, the market moves on kind of like just general, I don't know, general decisions that are made on the market. It's centrally controlled. We've seen, you know, like I said, it's USDT, it's Tether, it's like large whales. Honestly, it's just ridiculous. So cryptocurrency markets tumble in chaotic trading, and related stocks were hit after Chinese regulators signaled a crackdown on the use of digital currencies that have soared in price this year. Core coin tumbled as much as 30%, with frequent rapid lurches lower before recovering half its losses to trade at $37,000. And again, that's because all these shitcoin exchanges shut down to prevent the price from tanking. They're literally trying to defend it with all they've got. Savtoshi, thanks for joining us. The other digital coins were also hit by heavy selling, with Ethereum, one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the past month, losing a quarter of its value. More than $8.6 billion of positions have been liquidated over the past 24 hours, according to data from Bybit.com, a cryptocurrency data provider. That's interesting now. I wonder if somebody has done this to defend BTC against Ethereum. Let's have a quick look at that. Because obviously, you know, people are defending BTC. So look, it could have tanked way, way lower than that. It could have tanked way, way lower than that. So it went as low as $33,000. And it would have carried on if the exchanges hadn't shut off. I mean, look at that. That's insane. So BTC was defended by these shitcoiners. And let's see what happened to Ethereum. Almost equally defended. Equally defended. Wow. Wow. So the entire market tanked. So yeah, all the exchanges were like shutting down. But you know, a lot of them don't list BSV. So BSV still like suffered. But like I said, it doesn't really matter. For everybody in BSV that I know understands what Bitcoin is all about, and literally wouldn't trade it or dump it for love nor money, because it is money, literally. So this is just simply shaking out the shitcoiners, because price movements don't really mean anything to anybody in BSV, because if you trade this thing, it means you are devaluing your own investment. So F off and trade something else. So this to me is just shitcoiners selling. Price really doesn't matter to anybody in BSV. You know, it's just like price goes down, it means you buy more, because that's all we do in Bitcoin. We just simply buy it and buy it and buy it. So it's only shitcoiners that are selling it. And if shitcoiners are selling it, it means they're now no longer holding it. Which in the, it is good for us in the long term. But I'd say the long term is not even that long, to be honest with you. I'd say it's relatively short in comparison to most things. So yeah, get in there. What a buying opportunity it was today. Hope everybody managed to pick up just a few. But that's what I think is going on. I'm massively bullish. Shitcoiners wouldn't have a clue what I was talking about. They're like what? But let's just check the prices. So that's 207. Prev in the top left of the screen frame is saying 230. 230 at the top there. Bit of a discrepancy there. So let's have a look at Bitcoin here. According to CoinCrap. CoinCrap is still saying 2 or 3. So I think they must be behind. Yeah, they're not reporting live on the price. That's a really slow price movements there. So they're saying 203, which matches that's 207 on live CoinWatch. And Bitfinex 208. Okay, so it looks like Prev is the one that's much further out than most of this that we're looking at here. Interesting. Let's have a look at CoinDance. CoinDance still reporting 178. That's a little bit behind. But I mean, look at this. Look how strong this is. Look, 76.1% of the overall data on the chain going through Bitcoin, and 41.5% of the transactions. The fundamentals are still here, which means price movement means absolutely nothing. Literally nothing. It's what's the word? Superficial. Completely superficial, but that's all these shitcoiners understand. Whoa, look at that. 61,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coolcoin. Yeah, substantially cheaper than, that would be about 17 times cheaper than Bcrash as well. Amazing. Let's just see if there's any other charts worth looking at quickly. Yeah, I mean it's just price, to be honest with you. Isn't really anything else to report on that, if I'm honest. Let's just have a quick look at some of the shenanigans going on. What's this? Simon Dixon saying, if you hold funds on a Bank to the Future from all the recent returns you've made on the platform, remember you can now buy the dip without leaving your account. Oh look, he's trying to get people to not leave the account. He's like, oh, remember you can do this, buy the dip without leaving your account. As in, like, he's begging people not to do. People are being like, F this. You know, this is like, this is far too risky for my liking. And like, you know, the only reason the price stopped at $33,000 was because all the exchanges shut off. You know, it's complete manipulation. You know, it's insane. What's this? I've had these lines on the chart since over a month ago. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. Just like magic tea leaves and whatnot. You know, flying carpets, magic lamps, all that stuff. Let's see what else there is. Oh, Paris Hilton loving her new profile picture. Oh dear. Let's see what Dave Portnoy's got to say about this.
As long as they're talking about you.
Let's see. He is quite funny, actually.
Crazy. I'm glad I did it. Like, I like being in the center of, as long as they're talking about you in our business, that's good.
Yeah, you get off on seeing the Portnoy trending.
Love it. My dick gets hard.
That mama, there goes that man tweet. That's your favorite tweet.
Favorite one I can send out. Mama, there goes that man.
Oh. Enter ever the entertainer. 5 minutes ago, what's this? The crypto market has shed billions of dollars. Oh, they're all blaming China. What an absolute load of twaddle. An absolute load of twaddle. One of the world's oldest viral videos is being deleted from YouTube and turned into an NFT. Oh my god. 9 minutes ago, what's this? Somebody reporting on a price volatility. I'm quite looking forward to seeing all the shitcoin news tomorrow.
And so one thing I would like to stress is that although volatility is high, what really matters for investors and what really matters for broader asset allocation is Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies' correlation with other assets and their ability to actually, kind of lower overall portfolio volatility. And so far, we haven't seen any cracks in that thesis. I mean, the story is more nuanced. But I think, maybe in the short run, you could see outflows and less enthusiasm. But I think longer run investors are kind of more likely to hang in there through this.
Oh dear, oh dear. Dear, oh dear. Anyway, let's read. Let's see what Decrypt is saying. Absolute cobblers. Absolute cobblers. Here we go. Crypto markets in free fall. Bitcoin falls 30%. Ethereum falls 38%. The crypto markets has shed billions amid a week of bearish news as Chinese payments associations reiterate warnings against crypto speculation. It's got nothing to do with that. We've already had the FCA, the SEC saying, look, if you invest in cryptocurrency, you can expect to lose everything. Did that have any effect? No. And now suddenly they think that, China, with what they're saying, is what's having an effect on it. They're just literally, they're finger pointing. They're literally looking at every other bullshit scenario other than the genuine one, that is BTC is completely manipulated and it's fundamentally worthless. That is it. That is literally it. So the cryptocurrency market has continued its week-long plummet, with leaders Bitcoin and Ethereum falling through key support on Wednesday. Bitcoin plummeted to lows of around $32,000, a drop over 30% over the last 24 hours. Likewise, Ethereum plunged 40% to, that's huge, to $2,059. Both cryptocurrencies have recovered somewhat to a price of $35,000 and Ethereum to $2,489 respectively. Strikingly, the market's most liquid stablecoin, Tether, has also been knocked off its dollar peg. USDT fell as low as 84 cents amid the blood red market. The day opened in the red, hot on the heels of bearish news coming out of China. Absolute crap. A group of Chinese payments and finance associations doubled down on the central bank's 2017 ban on financial institutions engaging in cryptocurrency transactions and warned investors against speculative crypto trading. It follows a week in which crypto prices slipped across the board. The week's bearish price action was initially promoted by Tesla's CEO, prompted by Tesla's CEO Elon Musk's decisions to pull Bitcoin as a payment option for the VE firm's products, citing environmental concerns. That's an absolute load of crap. I mean, that was a political narrative as well. Absolute bollocks. The crashing market has seen crypto sites buckling under the pressure, with sites including cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and the price-checking sites CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap suffering intermittent outages. Is that what you call it? Intermittent outages. Oh my god. Crypto exchange Binance has also paused all ETH and ERC20 withdrawals due to network congestion. What an absolute load of crap. An absolute load of crap. So according to a tweet, the Binance has said here, ETH and ERC20 withdrawals are temporarily disabled due to network congestion. They don't have enough liquidity on the exchange to deal with all the withdrawals that were probably going on or whatever. Thank you for your patience and apologies for any inconvenience caused. Outrageous. Absolutely outrageous. As traders on Ethereum rush to the exits, gas prices on the number 2 crypto network have skyrocketed. According to Etherscan, the cost of an average transaction now costs 700 gas. Or, I mean, I don't know about Gwei and gas and all that kind of crap, but let's just have a quick look at TX Street. See if the figures are affected on that. Here we go. Let's have a little look here. Oh, Prev in the top left of the screen frame now saying $234. Where are they getting that from? $234. Let's refresh this then on Live Coin Watch, shall we? 206. Something's amiss there. Here we go. Median ETH transfer fee $25. $25. And the median fee on Corecoin is $10. Look at that. It's more than double. It's more than double. This is absolutely hilarious. Oh my goodness. And let's just remind ourselves of Vitalik digging at the transfer fees of Corecoin, shall we? We'll just give us a second when it loads up. We shall find it. Here we go. Somebody sent this to me. This was really funny. Somebody sent this to me saying, yeah, remember to play this. Let's see if I can find it. Let's go. Oh, hey, here we go. Brilliant, got it. check it out. Let's play this bad boy. Come on, Vitalik, let's have it. Let's hear it in all of its glory. Oh, here we go. And the volume is where exactly? Hold on one sec. Here we go. Let's just remind ourselves. Let's have it.
Right now, a Bitcoin transaction costs 5 cents, which is fine right now because PayPal's fees are even stupider. But you know,
right?
The internet of money should not cost 5 cents a transaction. It's kind of absurd. Right now.
That's right. The internet of money should not cost 5 cents a transactions. It's kind of absurd. But what it should cost is $24.05. Oh my god. Anyway, there we go. Right, that's been quite a good laugh. Been going for 35 minutes. That'll do for this afternoon. I've got work to catch up on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that show. Just a bit of a laugh today. So I'll upload this on YouTube. And catch you guys tomorrow for the chart show. Gonna be interesting then. Catch you later. Get paid for posting your pics on Relica. Download the app now at www.getrelica.com. Get your tweet etched on Twitch, forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. Do it today at www.jointwitch.com. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online. Support independent content creators on micropayment platforms such as Streamanity, Twitch and Relica. We should profit from our data, not the large corporations who track, monitor and sell it. If you enjoy the Bitcoin content that I produce, please support me by heading over to www.satoshi.tv, where you can keep up to date with all the latest news, gossip and content as it's created. Thanks very much. To get started in Bitcoin, go to freebsv.com, where you can claim your free Bitcoin. Then head over to Twitter and follow @IamSatoshi, where you can take part in his very generous and world famous free giveaways. The future of advertising meets the power of Bitcoin at Tonic Pow. Get paid for posting advertising campaigns to your social media profiles. Go to www.tonicpowads.com.